Hello friends, welcome to my channel. Guys, today, I am back with another house designing video tutorial. In today's video, I am going to explore a beautiful small house plan. So guys, without wasting any time, let's jump into my computer screen. Friends, you can see in my right side, this is the house ground floor plan. In this plan, this house has one master bedroom, kitchen with dining area, one master bathroom, and living room. And outside of this house has parking area, and also have a beautiful swimming pool. Now guys, this is the house second floor plan. In this plan, this house has 2 bedrooms and 1 guest room, 1 small toilet, glass wall living room, and also have a small balcony. So guys, I hope you like it. But I think you are not satisfied with this. So guys, now I will show you the 3D views of this house, so you can get a better idea about this house plan. Okay then, let's check it out.